I'll tell you all the skills you need to know to survive in the wild. Come on, I mean it. Come on. Hey, I'm Josiah. I'm just gonna give you a quick tip if you're lost in Spain. I'm gonna show you some things you can eat. Asparagus is one of the things. Oh, check this out. There's asparagus. Okay. So if it's like this is the mom. See? Is it? This is the mom. See, it has all spread out. See, it's all spread out. This is the dad. We can eat it. See, look at the tip. The tip's the same, but see, look. There's a difference. This one's spiky. If you can get real close up, it's spiky. But then if you look at that, there's like if you feel that, there's not spikes.
Let's see a taste test.
Okay. Really sour. That was healthy. Hey guys, I just discovered something incredibly yummy. Oh, and awesome. Asparagus! Check it out. Look at this beautiful asparagus that's grown in the wild. Should we try it? Oh. It's okay raw. It's better cooked. Check out these cool asparagus. Yeah, this is what I found. It's delicious. I'm going to have an egg omelet. I'm going to borrow some of those bird eggs. Imagine you're stuck in the wild. I'm sure you're going to be really hungry. So what do you eat? Here I have some beautiful thyme. It can be used for spicing up vegetables, meat. You can actually use it for tea too. This is rosemary. You can use it for the same, like, you know, spicing up vegetables, and you can use it for tea. I mean, I'm sure that's really good. Hey, I want to show you what a blackberry bush looks like. Yeah, this is a blackberry bush. They're yummy. In the summer, you can get nice, yummy, juicy fruits. Okay, so this big fellow, that is an olive tree. They're delicious once you ferment them. Yeah, they're awesome. I found
What's that?
this is chore.
What is that?
This is chore. An important skill in the wild is how to use a knife, and I'm gonna show you that, but safely. This has a lock, so that's handy. So that's basically what you're doing. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use a bow and arrow. You hold on and you, pull it back like that. Important skill in the wild is just to know how to hang with it. Guys, an important lesson you gotta know is how to, carry your backpack or your gear and your weapon. So I'm just gonna do a little example.